as you can see, one step forward, two steps back. I'm on my way to the local Porsche dealership to finally get the four-wheel alignment on Project Risky Business, while the passenger side window has not been working for a little while. The driver's side has been working flawlessly until I moved the car to get ready to take it this morning. When the transmission's cold, it tends to stay in gear. I'm told that's a common issue on these 928s. So you're hearing it rev in, even though I have it in drive. Luckily, the rain is just a drizzle right now, so I'm gonna get by without it. The wipers are very slow. I'm gonna have to take a look at that at some point, although I don't plan to drive it in rain much. But it doesn't make it mean I shouldn't have them ready to go. So yeah, power window switch, deader than a doornail. I don't know what's causing that. The wiper motor seems to be not working either. That was flawless for the longest time. I see it's trying to work, so I'll have to check that. But, you know, true to form, electrical issues are a bugger with this thing. So once the four-wheel alignment is complete on this car today, I'm going to take the four rims off, take them to my tire supplier locally, Euro Tire, up in North Jersey, and I'm going to have a set of all-season Continental DWSs put on. I've liked those tires for a number of years now, and some people may argue why not put just summer tires on, but the reality is that right now is a good example. It's only going to get in the mid-40s right now, and if I really want to enjoy the April and November seasons, the extended seasons here in Jersey, it's good to have all seasons on the car. Once the tires are on this weekend, it's just looking to be cold and rainy most of it, so I'm hoping to finally get a chance to polish the aluminum wheels, what are known as the manhole 16-inch wheels on this car. I had hoped to do that before I got new tires on, but the fact that I'm going to polish them really won't affect the new tires. Had I looked at painting them, I would have, or powder coating them, probably would have waited another week to get that all done, but I'm going old school. I'm going to polish the wheels. I think they'll look better than the platinum finish, and I'll show what that's about. Alright, so I'm just pulling into the Porsche dealership now. Even though the window's not working, at least someone was on my side if the rain wasn't pouring in like it was earlier. And here I go, pulling in. This isn't something we see every day. I've got room in the open garage area. And here we go. I'm here. Hopefully they can get this alignment done, and I'll tell you more about it. And we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.
1 hour later.
Good morning, this is Dan from Flemington Porsche. I'm working on your 928 this morning. I just want to go over a few things with you real quick about the car. I'm not going to be able to do the alignment at this time. I can't get the rear suspension in, unfortunately. Some of these bushings and stuff on the rear control arm are just too worn. I tried adjusting it the best I could. It will not come in the rear. So I do recommend replacing some of these bushings up here, stuff like this, and then I'll be a little bit better shot at doing the alignment on the vehicle. Same thing with the rear tires on the car. They're bolder than the wear limits. Definitely recommend replacing the tires before trying to do an alignment on it, because if I do an alignment now, if I am able to get it in and the rear tires are in this condition, when you do put new tires on again, the alignment will have to be completed on the vehicle again. Moving up the center of the car, tie rod nuts were completely loose on it, so I tightened those up just so it's safe to drive. Like I said, I really can't do much with the alignment until the back is done, because you have to go from the back of the vehicle to the front before trying to perform the alignment on the vehicle. I got the windows to go up in the car. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like the ignition switch, the electrical portion of the ignition switch, is probably the culprit in that. Like I said, I really didn't get too far into it, but I was able to get the windows up and all that stuff working again. But so it looks like it might be the electrical portion of that ignition switch.
Maddening. Absolutely maddening. It's the only way I can describe this car. I can't get one step forward on it. If you've been watching how far and what I've done to this car, only to be told I've got to do more before I can get another step done, it's just maddening. So I'm going to still move forward with getting the tires put on. I'm going to go back over to the dealership and talk to the mechanic before he goes home for the day and understand what I've got to do. But that's the rear track arms are just a major job that I did not want to get involved with right away. Anyway, that's enough frustration for one day. I need to catch my breath and figure out what I'm going to do next after I talk to the mechanic. So, thanks for watching this video. If you've learning anything from these videos, the most expensive Porsche you can buy is a cheap one. I knew that going into this, and it just keeps biting me every time. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Thanks.